Okay, so we're going to make a birds in the air quilt block today. So what you're going to need, this is for a 9-inch block. We're going to start with a 10-inch square piece of a kind of a darker fabric, and then also 2 4-inch square pieces, and then 4 4-inch square pieces of a lighter fabric. So to begin with, we're going to take our large piece and we're going to cut it in half on the diagonal. So you'll take a straight edge and line it up from point to point and just cut it right in half. Okay, so for this block we will just need one of these pieces, so we'll set the other aside, and that's our triangle bottom half of the birds in the air. So next we're going to make some half square triangles. So we'll set aside 2 of the light pieces and we'll take one of each of these and we'll make half square triangles out of these. So we'll set them on top of each other, right sides together, and draw a line from corner to corner, and then we will sew 1/4 of an inch from that line. So if you would like, you can draw a line a 1/4 of an inch away on both sides, and then you'll have a line to sew on. So we'll repeat that with the other one, and then we'll sew them together on those lines. All right, so they're sewn together along those 2 lines, and next we'll just cut from corner to corner between the seams that we made to create our half square triangles. Just press open our triangles with the seam toward the dark color. We'll square up these half square triangles so that they are 3.5 inches. So we're going to need 3 of the half square triangles. It made 4, but we really only need 3 for the block. And then next we're going to take these 2 and we're going to cut them into triangles on the diagonal as well. And we also only need 3 of these, so set aside 1 of these triangles. Okay, so here's our large one. We'll just kind of lay out the block now. So our large one, and we'll line up these 3 light colored triangles right here. And then we have our half square triangles right here. Okay, so next we'll just sew these together. So we'll sew this row and this row. And all right, so next we will just sew this to there, and then this piece to there, and this half of the triangle will be complete. So all that's left is to sew these 2 pieces together along this line right here. So there you have it. We'll just do a quick little trim on the edges where the extra triangle pieces are, and then we're done.